Okay, in this example, I want to group these guys together just like you would do in a folder. So like, let's say I want this to be, I want it to be developer slash full name, developer slash email. Of course, I could put developer here and developer here, but that would be too much work. On top here at the class level, we're going to tie in a request mapping. I use control space again, and we're going to put here developer. Okay, we save that. This restarted again. And what we're going to do now, let's go back to the URL. If I refresh this, this should be invalid now. So you get this error. Now remember, now the address will be developer, then email. So I'm going to say here, developer, email. Okay, and then the same thing here, I'll go developer, full name. Okay. Now notice that this controller is responsible for just developer information. Of course, I could crowd this with a lot more things, but I want to keep this topic very simple. This controller is about developers only. Now in the next example, we're going to create another controller that has to do with, let's say, information about year 2016, 2017, 2019, whatever, information about years, because we're going to be talking about a lot of tax information, and it's going to be based on the year you filed your taxes. So in the next one, I want to create information regarding, let's say, tax years. Okay, so let's do that. I will right click in this package again. I'll call this let's do a class, call it tax controller. No public static void main. Click on finish. Okay. I will split the screen so we can see both screens at the same time. If I take this and I just drag it kind of to the left, and I will minimize this window, so I just have more room. And let's see if I can minimize this window so I can have more room. I just want to grab the information that I grabbed from here. So if I just copy and paste this information here, I'll call this tax. Nice thing also, when you copy this information, also I'll call this tax years. When I copy this information from here to here, it also imports it for me automatically. Okay. Next thing I want to do is I want to say here, public. I'm going to return an array, int, and get tax years. Let's do return statement. It's going to return null for now. And here I'll do a get mapping. That get mapping will have years there. Okay. In fact, change that to years. And let's do an int array, int years. Okay, and we will do 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. Let's stop it there and let's return years. Okay, save it. Notice at the console, it's rebooting. Okay, let's go back to our website. And here, let's follow the URL. It's tax years. So I'm going to type in here, tax years. Okay, looked like something went wrong. Oh, I got tax years. Oh, you know, this should have just been tax. I apologize. Save it. It's rebooting again. Now if I hit enter, there goes the tax years. Okay, so this is just another example, but the whole thing I wanted to keep track of is separations of concerns. Your class should do one thing and do it well. For example, this is developer info. This only has information about the developer. Tax controller, this has information about taxes. So this, in this case, this was the tax years that we're going to be responsible for in this class. All right, with that, good luck and good coding, and let the code force be with you.